you have always wanted to board a spaceship? Be one step ahead of the others. Now you have the opportunity to do so. The Building the Future mission begins in 3, 2, 1.
Location of the mission, the HOMAG Innovation Center at Ligna, the leading trade fair for woodworking industry in Hanover. On 405 square meters, we set ourselves the goal to showcase HOMAG's innovative spirit in both technology and presentation. At the command center, we did a lot of thinking, planning and organizing in advance. The result? A truly extraordinary customer journey from the HOMAG Innovation Center through outer space and utopia to the future of woodworking.
By scanning the visitor badge, selected customers were able to join our mission. First stop, briefing room. The futuristic atmosphere and sound effects heightened the tension. The light is dimmed and the trailer begins.
Start in 3 minutes.
Then the doors to the space shuttle open. The visitors take their seats and the countdown to the ignition of the engine starts.
Ignition of the engines in 3, 2, 1.
The journey begins. It takes the visitors across space, past various planets, to Utopia, the city of the future. Yasmine Blair, our virtual tour guide, welcomes them.
With the help of the new tool, she established a brain connection to various HOMAG developers. This enabled them to present their developments by themselves, in 2 minutes each, embedded in an immersive overall experience of animations, light and sound effects. After 12 minutes, the journey continues. Next stop, Space Station.
Docking maneuver completed.
Upon arrival, the visitors stand at a multimedia presentation table where they are welcomed by an artificial intelligence. It then begins a deep and insightful look into the possibilities of AI-based processes and services in a modern furniture production. HOMAG experts in form of AI-generated avatars appear and they explain various use cases.
Then a door opens. It leads to the demo area. Here, the experts from the videos are waiting with the test setups. Visitors can touch the innovations, talk to the developers, and experience the technology of the future up close.
Here, Mission Control Center. Thanks to the multimedia presentation of our innovations, the conversation in the demo area improved a lot. Visitors could chat directly with the experts about the topic that interested them the most. In return, the experts got some very valuable first-hand feedback from visitors, plus new ideas they can use to improve the innovations for the future.
In total, more than 4,000 visitors joined our HOMAG Innovation Center and our journey through space and time. They were fascinated from the technology and the story they have seen. We can truly say that our HOMAG Innovation Center was a great trade show highlight. And once again, we have shown to our visitors that HOMAG will still lead the market of woodworking technology in the upcoming years.